Make me look like somebody sophisticated, sexy mama.
On my way to you, baddest in the room. Wanna give you my love. You know what to do. Hit me with the moves. Wanna give you my love. Get it right now. I ain't no talking. I wanna show you love.
What up, y'all? It's your girl Stallicorn, and I'm back at it again with another review. So today I'm actually gonna be reviewing the Neesha 201 wig. This wig that I have on my head is the Neesha 203 wig. Okay, and if you want to see the review for this wig, click the link up top so you can see the review for this wig. If you want to see the tutorial for this makeup look, it's a little Christmassy makeup look, then also click the link up top so you can see how I got this makeup look. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see my review on the Neesha 201 wig, just keep watching. So the unit that we're going to be working with today is the Neesha 201 Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig. I got this wig in the color 1 because that's the only color they had online because everywhere else was sold out. So yeah, I had to settle with the color 1. So yeah, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Alright, so straight out of the box, I took out the wig. I'm just showing you how tinted the lace looks. It has 2 combs, 1 on each side. It is a middle part and it has 1 comb at the back, and it also has adjustable straps. So I did not put the wig on my head to show you how it looks because I figured, like, okay, it has a lace on it. I want to cut the lace first. So here I am. I'm just putting the hairs to the side and I'm about to cut the lace.
Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores. Yeah.
I know you're gonna want nice things. Nigga with pockets fat like Kelly pricing. I just want you on my team. Spike Lee, we do the right thing. Do you believe in shooting stars? Or would you rather shoes and cars? Marble floors in the new apartment. Coach purse or the fur departments. You're more like nostalgic. I'm more of the Aflac Oasis. Nigga that'll take you around the world like Oasis. Swear that we can run it like a fresh pair of A6. We could have a trade, Willow and Jaden. See some places other than my haven. White House keeper, we laugh, she slaving. And said, oh, yo, people, oh, what's reparations? For real.
So I put the wig on my head and do y'all see that bald spot there? That's a no. It's a fault in the wig and I needed to fix that. So I just put some concealer in the part so that it can blend into my natural skin color. Not even natural, my foundation skin color. And then I use some black eyeliner pencil to cover up that little fault to make it look like this hair there.
Yeah.
Baby, it's all you.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. Beamer bands and dancing yachts. Cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore.
Auntie. Yes, yes, yes. You see that? You see that? You yeah, I'm annoying. I'm liking this little black hair. Make me look like somebody sophisticated, sexy mama. I'm liking this. So yeah, guys, this is how the wig looks on me. Like, I look like somebody sexy mama jama. Like, this black is really working for me. I thought, you know, black would have been like OD dark, but no, it looks really, really good. I look so sophisticated. Like, it looks good. I like it. Okay, now let's get into the specs of this wig. Shedding. I didn't realize any shedding when I was combing it to like fix the bangs part. I didn't notice any shedding. Big head friendly, sis? No, not at all. Not big head friendly. Like, I have a small head and it's like snug on my head. I didn't even glue down the top, so I'm gonna let y'all know now, it's not big head friendly at all. It may stretch to somebody with a bigger head, but it's not big head friendly where it's gonna be like good for big heads. So if you have a big head, I do not advise you getting this wig. Other than that, like, it's really good. Tangles. I mean, when I did run my hands through it the first time, the ends kind of got caught between my fingers, but I guess that's because it was cut. So of course, like, if you cut a blunt end, it's gonna be like a little pushback, a little snag somewhere, but it's not like nothing too bad. Once you get your hands going through it, it's pretty good. Like, it's not OD, you know. The only thing I didn't like about this wig was the fact that right here, I don't know if you saw from before, but right here had a little fault where it was kind of bald, and yeah, it looked like I was balding. Like, nah, that's a dub. So I had to like cover that up with some black pencil liner, like right here on the top. We don't need none of that. But other than that, like, it was pretty good. The wig is pretty good. I do advise, like, anybody who wants to buy this to get it. You get it for, like, it's great for your price. It's not long either. I'm 5'1.5", and this is where, like, it sits on me. I don't have like a long neck or a long head or anything. Like, I'm pretty regular, but that's where it sits on me in the back. And then this is how it looks in the front. And I didn't even glue it down at all, so but other than that, like, yeah, this wig is pretty good. So yeah, guys, that basically sums up the rest of this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to see more videos just like this one. Also, if you're an R&B artist, a hip-hop artist, a reggae artist, a soca artist, any kind of artist like that, and you want your songs featured in my videos, you can hit me up on Facebook or you can hit me up on Instagram. And yeah, just let me know. Send me a link with all your songs. Send me a link with one song and it will get in my video. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. We more bands and dancing yachts.